Hello, it's flu season and I'm not at the top of my game, but I made this video for those of you who are members, just so you know, and just in case you haven't noticed you received your donation back. I refunded everybody's donations. Memberships is a thing of the past, just not going to happen. Apparently I've been notified that I can't do the giveaway the way I structured it, even though I don't feel it was a lottery and the money was coming out of my pocket and you guys was only donating a small portion of it back. Oh well, I'll remake the website a little bit and I'll still allow you guys to donate money to help me give away free repairs and maybe free game systems and stuff like that. So if you want to donate $1 to or more to the HGC Gamers Club, 100% of your donation will go toward buying stuff to give away and putting up free game system repairs giveaways where the kids getting on here trying to get a free repair will be able to possibly win a free repair, where I would basically give them the information they need to give to whatever licensed repair shop is nearest to them, because I normally don't do mail-ins unless it's an absolute last resort and you can't find anybody qualified near you, to where if they did win it, I would actually pay to have their repair completed out of the donations. So yeah, I'm not going to be able to raise funds to get the car for the oldest foster daughter. I'll see what I can do with that later. Hopefully we can get her a decent car. Anyway, if you want to help out with a car and you make a donation and you want it to go specifically for the oldest foster daughter's car, just put in the comment section for the foster daughter's car and I'll make sure that them donations are added to them funds. And if for whatever reason she don't enroll in college, I'll use 100% of them funds to shoot it back to the giveaways. Okay. So you'll notice if you go to the website, it basically says the same thing, that I refunded everybody that made donations, and if you want to donate, I'll use the funds for the giveaways and potential free repairs to the kids. Okay, in-shop free repairs is through me. I do from time to time, even without the donations, but don't ask, because I make the decision. You know, if I think the kids can't afford it or are having trouble with the funds and I have the time and willingness to do the repair, usually I will reduce the pricing or provide the repair for free as I feel the need. But for free giveaways of free repairs, it won't just be through my shop. It'll be for, I mean, if you're close enough to bring it into my shop, then I'll provide the repair. If you're out of state or whatnot, then I'll provide the licensed repair shop the funds for your repair should you win one of the giveaways. And I'll keep them kind of giveaways within 30 days of its upload. That way you'll be able to, they will be able to get a timely repair and at least not wait a whole year to potentially win a free repair. Alright, I thought it was a good idea. Apparently not. So stay safe, happy gaming everybody. And I did leave the Xbox 360 Slim giveaway video up for those of you who are wanting to win it. And the giveaway date will stay the same. Bye guys.